Oh, hey, who are you? Huh? Are you copying me? Huh? Are you copying me? Why are you copying me? Why are you copying me? Alright, this is getting annoying. Alright, this is getting annoying. Will you please stop it? Will you please stop it? I just told you to stop it. I just told you to stop it. If you don't stop, I'm telling Amy on you. If you don't stop, I'm telling Amy on you. Alright, that's it. I'm telling Amy on you. Alright, that's it. I'm telling Amy on you. Huh? Sticks? What seems to be the problem? Amy, I'm so happy you're here. You see, this cat is copying me. It's starting to get on my nerves. Can you please deal with her? I'm too angry to do this on my own. No worries, Sticks. I'll help you. Samantha the Cat, why would you copy Sticks? You know that she doesn't like being copied. Well, I thought copying someone else would be fun. Well, Samantha, I don't think it's fun. Not even if it's on Sticks' terms. Do you think it's fun, Sticks? No, I think it is annoying and obnoxious. You see, Samantha, she doesn't like being copied. You know what? We're calling Tina and Diesel and let them know about what you did. So go home now. Fine. Losers. Sticks, you're nothing more than a wild girl who likes to eat bugs. Bye, losers. Hello, are you Tina or Diesel? Are you Diesel? Okay. You see, Diesel, Samantha actually copied my friend, Sticks the Badger. You see, Sticks was very annoyed by her. She also insulted Sticks, stating that she likes to eat bugs on a regular basis while she actually doesn't. So will you please ground her for me? And for Sticks? Perfect. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Okay, Sticks. I just called Diesel. He'll ground her right away. Great. Thanks, Amy. No problem. What do you say we get our minds off of Samantha by going to the movies to see the live-action version of The Lion King? Would that be nice? Oh, yes. That would be awesome. You know how I love The Lion King. Well, in that case, let's go.
Samantha the Cat, I can't believe that you would copy Sticks. You know that she doesn't like being copied.
But I thought that was for fun. I thought this was for fun. Well, it's not to Sticks. How would you like it if someone do that to you? That I refuse to answer.
Alright then, you're grounded for 30 days.
Now go to your room and think about what you've done. No dinner for you tonight. Fine. I hate you guys.